is we want to save our file, and to do that we're going to export it as an STL file. If you have not already, just make sure that you click this and make sure that it's going to your desktop, okay? So desktop should be selected there, and export it. So it's complete, which means you're done with that step. You can close Fusion. Now I already have Prusa open and ready. I have my STL file. I'm going to drop and drag it into here. If for any reason any of these dimensions are wrong, I want you to come in here and make sure that it fits within one of the boundaries for one of the jigs that we have. Next, we're going to use this 0.3 nozzle, so make sure that you have that selected. We're going to be using PLA filament, and we're going to be using the MK3 series. I've put support everywhere. You should not see support for something like this, but in general, it should be all right. Now we click Slice Now. It gives me a preview. More importantly, it also tells me the total number of minutes that it should take, which is 30, and I take a screenshot of that, put it into my journal, and the most important part, down here, export the G-code. Make sure you name it with your name in front of it, because I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of SOAP files, and click Save.